after 4 hours of flight, tests before the flight and tests after the flight, standing in the queue for about an hour to get that test done, we're finally here in Paphos, Cyprus. Hello everyone! Today we are in a historic and beautiful city of Cyprus, Paphos. It's January, so obviously not the hot season. We have 7 pools in our hotel which are completely useless, but we are not here for swimming. We are here for beautiful views and amazing experience. So join us on this journey. So one of the biggest mistakes people can make is not fully understand the value of their life. I know it sounds a bit cheesy, but let me explain that. I think that's a big problem of our education because we're taught from very early age that you need to finish school, then graduate from university, to get a good job, to get a lot of money, blah blah blah. So basically all the focus is on money. But is the money end goal? Well, I generally don't think so, because just ask yourself, why do you need money for? So I hope you're not that kind of the person who collects money for history. I will make an educated guess, and I suppose you are making money to spend money. That what really makes you happy, to buy things that you really like. So we spend years on education and on work, not to earn money, but to experience things when we spend them. Experience of buying new clothes, buying a new car or a house, or even taking your partner to a date and paying the bill. Do you get what I mean? Experience count, not the money. So money is just a tool, and we should be using it as a tool, not as a goal. Goal is what you're looking for. And speaking of goals, go and check out this video here to learn more about goals so that you understand what I mean. And going back to experiences, at least for me, even though I love buying stuff, buying a new piece of gear or a new fancy shirt is an action with a very short satisfaction period. You can spend hundreds of dollars on an item, you will get that dopamine kick, but just for an hour and so, and that's it. Then this item will just become part of your storage and you will need more. So you will create an addiction because every next purchase will give you the same emotions, which means actually emotionally you're going to be degrading, which will lead to the need of buying more expensive things. And that's like with drugs. You get into a situation where you always need bigger dose. And this is where travel comes in. Travel, on the other hand, is always gonna bring you new emotions, new experiences, and there are always many ways how to keep it cheap as well. So you get to experience new places, new cultures, new people, and opportunities here are endless really. Also, travel can help you to get away from potential difficulties you may experience right now. So I really believe that travel is a huge investment in yourself, as it gives you a wide spectrum of emotions and really gives your brain some time to relax. Good morning everyone! It's time for us to start packing and heading back to the airport. Beautiful weather, terrible coffee. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Put that like button if you did, and let me know in the comment section below if you think that travel is worth investment in yourself. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Ooh. I'm not sure you can drink it. I'm not sure it's allowed to be drinkable.